This signal means the referee allows the server to serve the ball. This signal shows which team will serve the ball. This signal shows that each team must switch courts. This signal means a team requested a timeout. It allows the player to substitute. This is a warning for improper behavior without penalty. The team receives a penalty for misconduct. This signal means the player is removed for the whole set. On the other hand, this means the player is removed from the entire match. This shows that the match or set is ended. This signal means the player did not properly toss the ball. This signal shows that the player took too long to serve. This signal shows that the team illegally blocked the opponent's view. The signal means that the player are not in a proper position. This means the ball landed inside the court. This means the ball landed outside the court. This means the ball was caught or held, which is not allowed. This signal means that the player touched the ball twice in session. This signal means that the ball was touched by the team for more than 3 times. This means that the net was touched during the game. This signal means that the player overreached the net illegally. This means the attack hit was done illegally. This means that the player crossed the opponent's court illegally. This means that the both team committed a fault and the rally was replayed. This signal shows that the ball was touched by the player. This signal shows a warning for delaying the game. This penalty was given due to repeated delayed game.
I just wanna be part of